Hey guys, Trevor Bates here at PDS Equipment. Today I'm going to show you how to do business cards on the UJ330H hybrid. So what I did was I took a 20 by 16 inch white piece of foam board and I printed the Jig Print outlines on it. And I did do a 9 overprints, which gave it a good raise. So now I have the ability to drop that in and it's going to lock that in place really nicely for me. So once I've already printed the jig outline, I'm now going to reset my media and feed it back through the machine and send the business card file already laid out, ready to go. So I lay it out in Jig Print, and then once I get it laid out how I want it, I will actually unselect Jig Print and just send it from General Print. That's going to save all my same settings that I laid it out in Jig Print, and just send it from General, and it's going to line up perfectly. So one thing I do want to note before you folks at home start trying this is I did turn off the rear roller enabler so it doesn't move my products on top of that foam board. And I did take the thickness of the card and the board and I changed my media thickness number. So the board was 5 millimeters and the thickness of the card is 0.75. So I went into menu media thickness and I've changed this to 5.8. I have moved the front rollers out of the way just to keep them from pushing down on the cards and causing them to move. So we're gonna let this just feed out onto our roller tables. So there we go, a full batch of cards with the spot gloss done all at the same time. Once again, this is Trevor Bates. Y'all feel free to give me a call if y'all got any questions on how to do this. This is the same process I'm going to do for coasters or for bottle openers or 5x7s. Lots of different things you can do this same process with. Thanks, guys.